IP phones with Asterisk by leveraging on Cisco brand. So we're very excited in terms of deploying IP phones because compared to traditional Cisco core solutions, like we have routers, we have switches, we have wireless, IP phones is one of the key promoters for the Cisco brand. Maybe you're wondering why IP phones. It's because IP phones is very visible at the customer side. So when you walk into a particular company or office, one of the first thing you will notice is their phone system at their desk. So with the strong brand that Cisco is bringing in, you are now able to integrate Cisco IP phones with Asterisk with this full range of SPA IP phones. Okay. Okay, here's a full range of our IP phones. So from our entry-level SPA 300 series, this is actually our IP phones that falls under the sub 100 US dollar space. So maybe knowing Cisco, most of you would think that all Cisco solutions or products are very expensive. So with Cisco Small Business and also SPA IP phones, we hope to change that perception in terms of the target pricing in offering these types of solutions to the market. So one of the proof is our SPA 300 series. It's below, the street price is around, for the SPA 303, that's around 86 US dollars. So it's very competitive in terms of offering you a terminal or IP endpoint that can integrate with Asterisk. So aside from that, we have a full range of SPA 500 series. Actually, all of them runs on the same SIP stack, so it mainly differs on the number of lines. So, for example, the SPA 501 is IP phone with paper label without LCD screen with 8 lines. We have a single line 502, 4 lines 504, and then 8 lines and 12 lines 508 and 509, and our premium IP phone SPA 525G2. Okay, so this is our full range. So depending on the requirement in terms of how these phones will be used, we have phones recommended for retail desk, office employee, and also administrator and even executive. Okay, so we have all the IP phone range that can actually support different user requirements in terms of functionality and usability. Let me go through quickly some of the models that we have. So under the 300 series, we have the SPA 301, which is very ideal for a lobby phone or even intercom phone. So this is the one without LCD display and single line. We also have the SPA 303 that I mentioned earlier. This is the entry-level IP phone that we have with LCD display. This is how the SPA 303 looks. I know it's been a long day. I just want to quickly run through each of the models that we have. Again, if you haven't noticed yet, we have our booth outside to be able for you to see all of these IP phone models. We have the SPA 303, our entry-level IP phone with LCD. For the 500 series, these are all the IP phones with PoE support. So we do sell PoE switches as well. So one of the clear differentiation against other vendors is really that Cisco brings the whole solution in terms of providing you with different components for deploying a voice system. From the IP phones, we also have a full range of routers and switches, and even wireless for mobility. Other models, we have the 502, the single line, the 504. We have the 508 and 509, the 8 lines and 12 lines respectively. And we do have the SPA 525G2. This is our premium IP phone. Premium in terms of, this is from the SPA 500 series. It supports Wi-Fi. It supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So you're wondering, why would an IP phone support Wi-Fi. So basically, for mobility, you don't need to have a wired network cable to be able to deploy an IP phone. So it may look like an ordinary wired IP phone, but it actually has a built-in wireless inside. So all you need to plug in this device is a power adapter for you to be able to connect to the wireless network. So it comes with the wireless utility. It will be able to scan all the available wireless signals, and you will be able to connect from it. Okay, so this is a very good alternative for deploying wired IP phones with a benefit of mobility through wireless connectivity. And another feature is the Bluetooth. So for Bluetooth, we actually support two features. The first one is for, anyone can guess what's the use for Bluetooth on an IP phone? For? Yes. For headset. So that's the first one. So we will be able to support Bluetooth headsets. So especially for those highly mobile workforce or users, with the capability of the Bluetooth headset to pair to multiple devices. So most of you, I think, is using your Bluetooth headset for your mobile phone. So with the same Bluetooth headset, you will be able to pair it on your IP phone as well. So with the current, Bluetooth headsets, you will now be able to pair to more than one device. So meaning a single Bluetooth headset can actually pair to your mobile phone and also on the IP phone. So when someone calls you on your mobile phone, you will be able to answer it from your Bluetooth headset. Same thing as when someone calls you from your desk phone, you will be able to answer on the same Bluetooth headset. Right? So that's the first Bluetooth capability. The next one is what we call the mobile link. So with mobile link, you can actually use the speakerphone or your IP phone, the SPA525G2, to be able to receive calls from your mobile. So this will act as a Bluetooth speaker. So instead of leveraging on the poor speaker capability of your mobile phone, you will now be able to use your SPA525G2 for as a Bluetooth speaker to be able to have a speakerphone capability. So imagine when you go inside the office and you have the SPA525G2 on your desk, and then once you have initially paired it with your mobile phone, once it is within the range of the Bluetooth wireless of the SPA525G2, you will be able to answer the call. So once someone calls you on your mobile phone, it will be able to register on your mobile phone, as well as it will also ring on your desk phone on this particular product. This is how it looks. So aside from the wireless capability that I mentioned, wireless and Bluetooth, we also support a USB port for you to be able to plug in a USB thumb drive. So maybe you're wondering, why do I need to plug in a USB flash drive or USB thumb drive on this IP phone? The main purpose is basically with the color LCD display, you will be able to view your JPEG or photo files. So you can have a slideshow of all your photos on your thumb drive. And it actually, with the high quality duplex speaker, you will be able to use this IP phone as your iPad or MP3 player. So you don't need to bring in your iPad in the office, because you will be able to leverage on your IP phone to be able to play your music or MP3 files. Okay. So aside from that, of course, all the standard features we support on all the IP phones. We support the headset and all the standard features that we have on this slide. Okay. Other features that we are promoting with this is capability to read RSS feeds. So you can configure an RSS link for the IP phone to pull in some content from the internet. So the only requirement is you will need to have your network connected to the internet, so it will be able to pull RSS feeds, use information, or you can set up your own RSS server, so you will be able to pull text-based information to the IP phone LCD display. Okay, other functionality, we have this integration with our IP camera, so you can also use the IP phone LCD display to view IP camera video, so you can actually use the IP phone as part of your surveillance system. Okay. Other components that I would like to share with you, we have the SPA500S expansion module. So all the SPA500 series will be able to integrate with our SPA500S expansion module for you to be able to have multiple buttons. So currently the model that we have is SPA500S with paper label. But actually by May, we will be launching another version of the module that will be able to support LCD display. So instead of paper label, we will also have another model that will have LCD display. Okay. Quickly running through some of the hardware features. Again, we have standard Ethernet 10/100 Mbps ports, but we are actually launching a new models of IP phones that will be able to support gigabit Ethernet phones. Gigabit Ethernet port. So for those of you who requires IP phones with gigabit Ethernet interface, we will